Have a nice day, everyone. This is the crowd after every fireworks. L'International des Feux de Québec, also known as the Montreal Fireworks Festival, is the largest and most prestigious fireworks competition in the world. It has been held yearly in La Ronde over the Dolphins Lake since 1985 and is named after its main sponsor, Feux de Québec. During the 2018 competition, the Dragon Fireworks of the Philippines joined and win the award of Gold Jupiter and Best Soundtrack Award for 2018 for our debut piece entitled Of Games and Thrones. Team Philippines had to overcome hurdle after hurdle to mount our biggest show date, with over 9,525 cues. Dragon Fireworks of the Philippines is the first Southeast Asian entrant in the 34-year history of the Montreal International Fireworks Competition, and the first Asian Gold Jupiter winner in the prestigious, long-running competition after 26 years. We are humbled by this huge honor, and at the same time very proud to bring glory to our country. Every summer, this fireworks competition shines with 1,000 lights, an explosive choreography of music and fireworks with the city as a backdrop. The performances last 30 minutes, rain or shine, over the St. Lawrence River, just off the Jacques Cartier Bridge, over a period of several weeks. The competition, which pairs music with this fiery ancient art, attracts the best pyrotechnic teams from around the world in a percussive pyromusical show that can be seen and heard throughout the city. And if you come here to watch the fireworks, better use the public transport and bring your own chair or mat. After the fireworks, if you have a ride, you cannot just go out right away because the roads are closed. It will be open only after the crowds are gone in the streets.